Puts a decent amount of air. And yeah, if it sounds funny, it's because I'm kind of sick, unfortunately. High speed. This fan doesn't go very fast, as you probably know. The other one I filmed last time that was in a different building didn't go very fast either. Yeah, these things use 153 by 15 actually, so they're not that very powerful as compared to other fans, but it's a hugger, so what do I expect? It's gonna blow less air than your normal ceiling fan pretty much. It's blowing a decent amount of air, but it's nothing that strong as compared to other fans. And yes, the light pull chain, like the other one I filmed earlier, was cut out and cut short to the point where it's put in the bowl light a little bit. But pull chain on these fans are very hard to pull because they use the stupid bowl light. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching.